Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna work on our project Vauxhall Corsa, and we're gonna change
accessory belt and a few more bits. We're gonna check to see exactly from where that ticking noise is coming from the engine. Hopefully we're gonna find out, and in that way you guys is gonna get you're gonna get extra help.
Yeah, that's right. So we're just gonna explain to you guys why we're actually gonna change in here. So we're just going to change the belt. As you know from our previous video, you make a bit of noise to the engine. So to do that, we're gonna take off the air filter all the way to here, and
Also underneath that you're gonna have the engine support with a few bolts there, so it has to be removed. And then we're gonna go on the side and we're gonna lift the engine a bit. We're gonna put a jack under it.
Yeah, we're just gonna lift it to make it safer, so we can extract the belt, and also to be able to release it, because it's so tight now, so you won't be able, so you have to release it, but you will see on the video later. Okay, so let's get changed. So we're just going to remove all this filter to here, but because it's got some rusty screw, including this one in here, use a spray to do. Okay, so this is our engine support. So we're just gonna try to remove this one, but before that we're just gonna lift a bit the engine to make sure it's not gonna fall down. So we have removed the air filter up to here, and you know that the noise what came from the engine, it could be because of all it is so dirty, that it could cause a bad sound to the engine, but we'll get here probably in the next video. But at the moment we're just gonna focus on here just to change oil, and I'm not sure if you can see it, but no, it will be on the other side. Yeah, where you can see that it's actually really broken. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna focus on this side. We're gonna take this engine support off, including this one, and we're also gonna remove the one side of the car just to make sure we have enough space to work on belt. So we just removed the wheel and all the sides. The last thing what I have to remove is this bit in here. Got two screws in here and one at the bottom, one in this side also below. Well, part of that we should be able after that to take the belt off. So we're just gonna take this one. So we took all these parts off. We just removed it to be able to take the belt off. So we just got some space now to work on. In the meanwhile, we just secured the engine in here, so make sure it stays at the same level. But yeah, we just removed it all. So now what we're going to do, we're just gonna take the engine support off.
Okay, we are back on the top of the engine, so we need to remove these two parts. The engine. We got 3 bolts here on this part, one there, 2 on this side, and another 2 on this side. And I guess we still have a few on the bottom there, so 1 on that side and maybe 1 on the other side. But let's try first to get these 2 down.
Yes.
Okay, so we removed on the top there, but how you can see here, you still have 2 bolts.
So we got one in here
Yeah.
and the other one in here somewhere. If you can't see it, then that's fine, but it's just above this one on the right side. Is another one in here somewhere. So we're just gonna remove these 2 ones, and after we'll have all the axis, the belt. So how you can see, if you can see here, so this belt, you can see that's broken here, and I'm not sure if you can see under in here. So that's one of the noise of the car. So we're just gonna change all this. So just to take the belt off, we're just gonna push this one down and just simply remove it out. Yeah, that's our belt. Little rusty, but did the job. So we have our new belt. I'm just gonna put it on. Okay. Just may need to release the tensioner again. Just put and press it down. We got a brand new belt fit on our Vauxhall Corsa. We have changed the accessory belt on our Opel Corsa, as you've seen in the video. However, we're still having that ticking noise from the engine.
Yes, and we're gonna do some more cleaning on that. We're gonna remove the throttle body, and we're gonna have a look at the injections and
see if we can identify the actual ticking noise which comes from the engine, part of the one from belt, which has been already sorted out. But part of that, we'll see you at the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below if you had the same problems. And in the next video we'll do some cleaning on the engine, as we said.
Yep.
To see if that will sort out our problem. If not, we'll go forward.
So stay with us. We just bought a new product for the valve, so in the next video we're gonna try to see if we can solve the ticking noise.
Yeah.
If we are not sure what brand is it, but we just took it from one of the
Garage. Yeah.
floors.
So we will just give a try on that one, see if it's actually doing the job.
It's for petrol and diesel as well. So.
Yeah. But till then, see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.